Today, I'm going to make kakiage. Kakiage is a type of tempura or deep-fried vegetables and seafood. It goes well with noodles or rice. We mix various vegetables and seafood with flour and deep-fry them all together in a circular shape. Today, I'm gonna make simple kakiage using onions and carrots. But you can also put some shrimp or other vegetables if desired. Let's get started. Slice onions. Cut carrots into thin slices. 5 tablespoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add 4 ounces of water while stirring. Add the vegetables and mix everything well. Put oil generously in a pot. Heat it well. Put ingredients in the oil in a circular shape and wait for 1 minute. Turn it upside down and wait for another 2 minutes. Take kakiage out of the pot. Sprinkle salt. Cook frozen udon in a boiling water for 3 minutes. Drain. Cook dried soba noodles in a boiling water for 6 minutes. Drain the soba noodles and rinse them with running water. Put kakiage on top of noodles. To make soup for noodles, put 2 cups of hot water. 1 teaspoon of Dashi or Bonito soup stock. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin. Put the soup on top of kakiage. Garnish with green onions if desired. That's it. Kakiage is crispy outside and the vegetables inside are well cooked and so soft. Enjoy!